Ethnography Department of the State Museum, the State Culture Center Turkmenistan. There are various types of ornaments worn in the Tahyan women's buruk. Jewelry such as ilpavacha, gupacak is more eligible for children to wear. Here you can see a variety of decorated jewelry such as manglaylak, shelpili manglaylak, egme, kanatlı egme from the jewelry worn by a woman. In the prosperous epoch of the powerful state, in the year Turkmenistan commanded peace and trust under the leadership of the Sion President, special attention is paid to the restoration of the Turkmen culture and art, which has long been the answer of the development of our country's cultural heritage. As you immerse yourself in the depths of the millennium-long past, you are deeply immersed in the cultural heritage of the Turkmen people, which has its unique natural characteristics, which have its origin and antiquity. We see this in the golden shades of ancient Turkmen jewelry, which have passed it down from age to age and have passed it down from generation to generation. As a result of the unprecedented efforts of our Sion President, the prosperous epoch of the powerful state, the rapid implementation of the centuries-old great work of large-scale reforms in the life of our country has made Turkmenistan strong development. During this period, along with the economic development of our country, the capacity of cultural consciousness increased. The state policy pursued in our country is aimed at the harmonious development of the spiritual foundation of the Turkmen society, the increase of its intellectual wealth, the preservation of the culture and moral values of the people, and the spiritual integrity of our people. The great work being done to develop the national traditions, culture and art of our people is a source of pride for every Turkmen today. Efforts have been made at the State Museum of the State Culture Center Turkmenistan as part of the transition to a digital system that is currently underway, one of which is impossibility a virtual tour of the museum. A virtual tour of the State Museum is a widely used practice in this world. It's impossible to connect to the internet by computer or phone and travel anywhere in the museum. To a newly open virtual museum, uses the most advanced technological method that can move images at 360 degrees. It's enough to enter the appropriate address to enter the virtual museum system. Also, with the help of the open website, you can choose any section of the State Museum of the State Culture Center Turkmenistan and take a virtual tour of it. Let's take a virtual tour of the early medieval section. For example, here you can perform any of your actions such as moving left, right, down, up, or down with special conditions. One of the things to note is that it is not only a matter of observing the museum values placed in the museum, but also an opportunity to receive interactive information about them. It's also possible to navigate through any special section about the location of any section. It's planned to further enrich this information in the near future. That's audio and video methods will be used to get acquainted with all the permanent exhibitions in the sections of the museum. Now let's talk about the conveniences of the virtual museum. In the creation of virtual museum, special attention is paid to the technology which can create a three-dimensional movement of the 360 levels that is comprehensive view of the certain value, especially the ability to create different levels of interaction and panorama. This technology is influencing the museum to a qualitatively new level. The main advantage is not only the permanent exhibitions in the museum sections, but also the animated images. Rather, it's a file that contains a large amount of information, and the ability to view historical monuments is possible to get acquainted with the details of old works, old maps and carpets. In the prosperous period of our times, we see present great opportunities are created to get acquainted with the nature, culture, traditions, and history of the Turkmen people. The ethnography department of the State Museum of the Culture Center Turkmenistan also contains our values that reflect the national heritage, science, and traditions of the Turkmen people. In our talk on the values of the world, we will introduce you to the values placed in the ethnography section of the State Museum of the State Culture Center of the Turkmenistan. The Turkmen people have a national heritage dating back to 5,000 years of history. The Turkmen people are considered to have been engaged in agriculture and animal husbandry in the early days. Turkmenistan is considered to be the center of the first culture. It can be an example of Jeytun culture. Archaeologists say that the Jeytun culture originated in Turkmenistan in the 670s millennium BC. In the early days of the Jeytun culture, the first crop began to appear. The population of the Jeytun culture is the first to cultivate by irrigating the grain of wild plants. The emergence of the first animal husbandry also dates back to the Jeytun culture. That is, in the Jeytun culture they also raised livestock based on the domestication of wild animals. During the excavations found pots, utensils, they circumcised clay, embroidered on their faces, and various geometric patterns were drawn. And the depiction of cooked geometric figures on their walls as well as inside their dwellings, the fact that they were painted in both red and black can be seen as the developer of the fine arts and poetry of the first fine arts at that time. The culture of the Turkmen people, which has its roots in the Jeytun culture, is flourishing at present. That is to say, our ancestors in the early days were mainly engaged in their livelihood. Farming and animal husbandry. They mainly planted two types of farming, that is, irrigated farming and düme farming. Irrigation is also usually leveled floodplains in villages, provinces, and districts, plant crops and irrigated them. Düme farming was planted in the main mountainous areas, that is, they planted fruit trees, this because of the lack of water. This also called like Düme agriculture. Farmers used labor tools. These tools were mainly made of simple materials, that is, most of them were made of solid wood and iron. In irrigated agriculture they planted more wheat, rice and barley. The harvested wheat and rice were mainly milled and cleaned. Turkmen people also planted seeds. When they sowed their seeds, they took oil from it. It was called kunjayari. The same oil was obtained inside a jawaz. It's made of solid wool. Jawaz is considered to belong to the 19th century. Jawaz is a tool used with the help of a camel. They put the sesame seeds on the top of the beetle and tie the camel to the beetle for a while. After a while, the sesame oil begins to get. Sesame oil is placed around the bowls or jugs through a pipe. The Turkmen people are musician people, that's why every wedding is celebrated with music. First, the bride's wedding tradition begins with the matchmaking. The wedding also begins on the basis of the marriage of the two families and the fact that they are related to each other. They bought a bride with a keceve or a camel decorated with the Kabul products. The young bride was taken off a keceve and placed in the Turkmen White House. The White House of the Turkmens also dates back to very early times. The Turkmen White House consists of 4 winged, 6 winged, 8 winged white houses. They decorated the White House with carpets. The Turkmen people gave special place to singers at weddings and festivals. The Turkmen people prepared Turkmen national dishes at the bride's wedding. They also prepared a variety of Turkmen national dishes, mele, palak, dogroman, yarma, and served to the wedding crowd. The Turkmen people celebrate their wedding with such joy. To weave ketene, yarn is mele derived from silkworm cocoon. The yarn woven the silkworm cocoon was very healing. The silk thread from the silkworm cocoon has been in great demand not only in Turkmenistan but also abroad. This is because the ketene fabrics woven by Turkmen women were considered a national value. When weaving ketenes, the yarns are first dyed in several colors. Colors are also used in plants that grow in nature. After those yarns are dyed in color, our women weave ketenes and weave lineage from them. They also weave a number of products from camel wool, for example, a camel's belt or camel's stable. The weaving of the camel's stable, the weaving of the camel's belt is different from the weaving of the ketene. The weaving of the ketene is woven in the Tara tool. Their fibers are fibers in the sawdust. Ketenes, on the other hand, are considered to be good for health and protect from the sun when you wear them.